What's up, guys? I'm back again with another video. I'm cooking up some breakfast. I know it's 3 o'clock in the afternoon, but Novin and I didn't go to bed till like 6 in the morning for reasons. Well, actually, nah, I should probably tell them because then they'll probably think like, yeah. All right, so we were on chat roulette last night and it was just really fun. But we both he needs a couple things and I'm doing like a full, like I need groceries. So, but just a really big thing. I don't go to the grocery store hungry because if I do, I'll literally buy whatever and be like sampling the samples and like just like getting snacks that I don't need. So I'm gonna eat before we go and I'm gonna write a list because I have specific things in mind, and if I'm like, oh, do I need this, do I need that? Because like I have oatmeal. So if I like forgot at the store, I would be like, oh, do I need oatmeal? Do I not need oatmeal? You know, so make a list, check it twice, eat before you go, and take your recyclable bags. I remembered. So we're gonna take our reusable bags and we'll catch you at the store. So breakfast is 8. The list is made. Novin is driving.
What's up, y'all?
We are headed to, oh, we have the bags. We're headed to the store. It's literally a hop, skip, and a jump from our apartment. So we'll see you in there. So first things first, we're gonna get sweet potatoes off the list. I like to get like more symmetrical ones so I can like cut them in half easier. So I also like them to be like the same kind of like cylinder shape so they bake evenly and not like something like this. I will bake super fast here and like super slow here. So I'm gonna find a few and then I'll see you at the chicken. Okay, so we just grabbed our chicken, but now we're here getting some ground beef. I like 90-10. I feel like that's the best for me. I have some at home already cooked, so I'm only gonna get 2 pounds. So I'm just gonna grab these 2 and we're good to go. So, teaching y'all a little cheat code. This 0-calorie spray, put it in your pan, your eggs come out immaculate. It's amazing. Is it focusing? No. Oh, sorry, you don't have to focus in. So it's just like an olive oil spray. You need this in your arsenal when you're cooking. This is good for everything. I'm gonna grab some of this just for like eggs in the morning, and then I'm gonna grab some regular olive oil because I've been stealing Novin's olive oil, but I got it. I got you, man. So guys, this is why I absolutely love HEB. They're always having like coupons, and like we're broke college students, so we need them coupons. $1 off this chicken seasoning, and this chicken seasoning slaps. No brainer. All right, pro tip, always check your eggs. Make sure they're not fertilized. I mean, cracked. And yeah, these are good, so we're gonna grab these. All right, so we got the last thing on the list. Oh,
Hector, don't you
don't show them that, don't show them that, don't show them that.
Don't show them that. It's trend,
It's
guys.
trend. But, so we got the last thing on the list. So show them the best, man. What do y'all think? Over, under 50? I'm gonna say over, like 55.
Yeah, probably a little bit.
Comment down below, and if you get the correct answer choice, congratulations, you win nothing because I'm broke. But hey, man, you can say you won it. All right. So we'll see you back at the house when I do all this stuff out. All right, guys. So we're finished with the haul. We got the chicken, the ground beef, broccoli, bagels, bananas, eggs, sweet potato, spices, hot sauce.
Can't forget about that fish oil, though.
Fish oil. Shout out to the best man, the best filmer in the game. And also, if you guessed 55.93, you are correct. I'll be sending you a scoop of creatine. So let me know. But yeah, this is pretty much what I do for a lean bulk currently.
Hey, this isn't part of your diet.
What is that? Your dirty bulking?
No, it's my clean bulk, man.
Oh. Hey, what are these?
Alright, that's enough, guys. I'll catch y'all later.